Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to start. First, confirm your business name, address, phone, and category are accurate. Inconsistencies block discovery. Once done, sign into the Google account you plan to manage the profile with. Next, open Google Search or Maps. That's where you'll look up the listing. Type your business name and city exactly. If nothing appears, switch to Maps and search nearby. These initial steps get you into the right interface and surface any immediate listing results to act on. Once you find a candidate listing, inspect details like address and hours to verify it's yours. If the profile is unclaimed, click Own this business or Claim this business and follow verification prompts. If the listing exists under a different account, request ownership via the request access flow and note the owner's response window. If nothing matches, select Add your business in Maps, enter accurate NAP and category, then proceed to verification. This middle step is where ownership and data correctness are resolved. Finish by completing Google's verification. Postcard is most common, but phone or instant options may appear. Once verified, update photos, business hours, services, and a clear description so customers find you. Make sure primary category is precise. That drives search relevance. If you can't find or claim the profile, check for duplicates, account suspensions, or address formatting issues. Correct the authoritative listing and re-request verification. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.